Hi everyone, this is Judy from Judy's Handmade Creation, and today I'll be showing you how. This was a request. Somebody wanted to know what I use to make my bows with, and I use this tool here. This is the Mini Bowdabra. I've been using this for probably about 11 or 12 years making my bows, and this is the tool that I use. And this is how it looks. This is the Bowmaker, and it comes with some of the bow tie, and this is good for making cards, for scrapbooking, card making, mini hair bows, wedding decor, party favors, and I also use it for my wreaths, to make bows for my wreaths, and I make bows for the Christmas tree. And here's a bow that I normally make to put on the bottom of my wreath. This was made with this Bowmaker, and that's one. This is like a puffy bow. It's the one that I made in my Mrs. Claus wreath. It's the one down at the bottom. And this is how I made that bow. I'm going to use this for a wreath, a Valentine's Day wreath when I make it. I'm just going to show you how to make a regular bow. So this comes with inside the box, and you get this inside the box to tie your bows. And you can buy one of these separate. This measures the bows. Like if you want a 6-inch bow, it's 3 inches on each side. That's what I use to measure this one out. And this bow here, this one's about 6 inches wide. So what you do is you take this out, and you can buy one of these separate. This will go on top like this, like that. So that's the way it just fits right on top. And then I'm going to be using this ribbon here. This was a ribbon I got from AC Moore's before they closed down. See, it's AC. It's AC Moore ribbon, and it was $1.99. And I don't know how many feet was on here. Okay, what you do is you cut about 12 inches of this, or you can use small ribbon, but I'm going to use this here. You can use thinner ribbon to make your bows. And you're going to measure out about 12 inches. I'm going to use a small ruler. So measure about 12 inches, and that'll be right here. And cut it. This is going to go down in here like this, down in this part right here. And that's going to be, you tie your bow together so it don't fall apart. And this ribbon here is wire ribbon. It's the one with the wires on the ends, like wire here and wire at this end. You just take your ribbon and push down in this slot here. I'm going to leave this. Push it down in there. And you're going to I'm going to make this about a 6-inch ribbon. So I'm going to end it right there. And then you just take and push this back down in the middle again. Like this. And you're going to take and end it over on this side. Put it on this side here. Okay, and then you're going to just cut over here with your scissors. Cut it off. It's just going to make a regular bow ribbon. And you can take and use this to push it down like that. And then you take the string here that you put in there, even it up, make sure it's even, and then you just tie a knot. I'll tie a couple knots so it don't fall apart. Probably like 3. And this ribbon, these ribbons here are going to go on my Valentine tree. And you can take them and pull it out. And it should look like this. You can pour this down, straighten it out. You can fluff these up a little bit. And since this is going to tie on my Valentine's Day tree, I'm just going to tie a little knot up here to make it like an ornament. Just so it can hang on my tree. I'm going to just cut a little bit of it off to make it even. And it should be about like that. And this should be about 6 inches wide. Yep. It's about 6 inches, 6.5 inch bow. And you can fluff these up since it's got the wire in it. And if this part's a little long, you can, might be a little longer. Just trim it down a little bit if you think it's a little bit too long. So I can measure up to the other side. And that's a cute little ribbon. You can use all kinds of ribbon with it. You can use 1/4 inch ribbon, 1/2 inch ribbon. This here I think is, this ribbon here I think is, this is 2.5 inch ribbon here. But they have the bigger Bowmaker that you can buy. It's a bigger one. This is the Mini Bowmaker. And it comes with directions in here to make bows for hair bows. You can make hair bows with them. Comes with directions. And I've had this for a long time. I always use this to make bows for my cards. And I make bows. I used to make bows for my daughter's hair. And it shows you ways to make the bows. This is a scrunchy bow. It's sort of something like this, but it's done with the smaller bow. This is more like a bow for like a reef. This bow here. If you're making reefs, this is the perfect bow. Or if you want to make bows for your tree, Christmas tree, you can make bows like this. But if you're going to make hair bows, you would have to use a different kind of ribbon. I got all kinds of ribbon I use. I'll show you some of the sorts of ribbons I got. You can use this kind of ribbon. This is satin ribbon, and this is 5/8 of an inch if you're going to make hair bows or bows for your scrapbooking, card making, page layouts. I got all kinds of ribbon. I got this ribbon from the Dollar Tree store, and this is 2.5 inch ribbon. You can use different kinds of ribbons with these, and you can use smaller ribbons. You can use this kind of ribbon to tie your bow with, and I got this from Walmart, and this is 1/8 of an inch. You know how we put the silver, how I put the silver ribbon down in here, you can put like this down in here to tie your bow. And you can use all different kinds of ribbons. I got all satin ribbon, sheer ribbon. These ribbons came from the Dollar Tree store. I got plenty of ribbons that I've been collecting forever. I got 4th of July ribbons, Halloween ribbons, all kinds of ribbons I use. I got all kinds of ribbons that you can use. And that's about it. Like I said, the bow that I made there, I'm going to use that for my... This is going to be for my Valentine's Day tree. I'm going to decorate my tree for Valentine's Day, and these are the bows I'm going to put on there. Thanks for watching. And if you like what you see, subscribe. And I'll be showing you more bows. I'll be making more bows. The next time, I'll show you how to make this bow. On my next video, I'll show you how to make this one. And a spring color. So, if you like what you see, subscribe. Thanks for being a subscriber. And have a great day. Be blessed. Bye-bye.